Hi friends, welcome to another video by Traveler. Today we are going to see a different video about one of the beautiful tourist attractions in Kerala, Veli Tourism Village. Veli Tourism Village is in Trivandrum district of Kerala state. It's 6 kilometers from Trivandrum International Airport and 7 kilometers from Trivandrum railway station and bus stand. As the name suggests, Veli is a tourist village that is popular as a picnic destination in Thiruvananthapuram district. The place features a large garden on the southern banks of Veli Lagoon. There is a floating bridge that connects this garden to the Veli Beach. It is an ideal destination for a family picnic as there is a wide range of attractions such as play areas for children, boat rides in Veli Lake, horse riding option and a floating restaurant can be found here. Apart from these, there is a long walkway connecting Arkulam Lake that catches one's attention. There are also some stone and grass sculptures by Kanai Kuniraman, which adds to the landscape of the garden. A collection of birds such as pigeons and swans can be seen, and there are a few small ponds with fish and tortoises in them. Visitors can hire pedal boats, paddle boats or speedboats as per their convenience. One can also roam the gardens and have a nice picnic. The view and feel of the place is extremely unique. Children are known to have a lot of fun climbing the sculptures here and taking the speedboat ride across the waters. A separate children's park and floating cafe run by Kerala Tourism Development Corporation (KTDC) are added incentives to visit this unique village. It has lots of eateries and ice cream parlor for kids and big people. It's one of the best places for budget travelers and old people to relax. For those who are visiting Trivandrum, it's one of the must-visit places. It'll be open from 9 am to 6 pm. Come with me. Let's walk around the park and explore it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful to you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our new updates.